2024 GMC Sierra 2500HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.